So here it is, the Redmi Note 9, the undisputed champion. Doesn't it look absolutely gorgeous? Let's start with the design. To talk about the design, let me call upon Rebecca to take a much closer look at the Redmi Note 9.
Thanks, Anuj. With the Redmi Note 9, we wanted to pay attention to the smallest of detail, ensuring that every aspect is relevant to you. Let's have a closer look, shall we? For the Redmi Note 9, we followed the design philosophy of aura balance design, maintaining the same sleek, stylish design as the Redmi Note 9 Pro. As you can see, the fingerprint reader blends seamlessly into the camera module. This placement ensures that your muscle memory automatically reaches for the fingerprint scanner. This makes it much easier for you to unlock the beautiful 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display. Not just that, we've also done away with the notch, reducing it to just a tiny dot on the top left of your screen. This gives you a truly immersive experience. If you love watching content as much as I do, gaming all day, or just browsing, this device is perfect for you. But if you're as clumsy as I am, you need a device that is not just great looking, but is also built to last. Thankfully, the Redmi Note 9 comes with a super strong Corning Gorilla Glass 5, as well as P2i nano coating. But more on that later. I'm super excited to tell you about the phenomenal looks that we have for you. We have the stunning aqua green, the uber cool pebble grey, and my personal favorite, the Arctic white. So overall, the Redmi Note 9 comes with a beautiful 6.53-inch dot display, the stunning yet subtle aura balance design that is built to last. But wait, there's more. The Redmi Note 9 also comes with everyone's favorite 3.5mm headphone jack, the 2+1 SIM slot with a 512 GB of expandable storage, and my personal favorite, the IR blaster. Now that's what I call a true design champion. And that's a big deal. Now you know how it looks, but for what it can do, let's go to Gautam. Hey Gautam!
Oh, thanks, Rebecca. I'll take it from here. Hey, let's talk about performance. With every new Note, we try and breach the expected performance of a device. And the Redmi Note 9 is another leap in that direction. And that's why we are introducing the Redmi Note 9 as the first ever smartphone in India to launch with the MediaTek Helio G85 processor. And let me tell you why it's a big deal. As per competition, most of the Samsung devices under 25,000 uses either an Exynos 9611 or an Exynos 850. And if you look at other competition, they're using a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 that we use on a Redmi Note 8. So basically, what I'm trying to say is the Antutu score is much higher than the competition. Now all these are just numbers. What do they really mean? Well, to begin with, it gives you HD online gaming, which means that you'll ace any game you play. With the Redmi Note 8, we introduced a 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant that was loved by all our fans. Continuing that legacy, the Redmi Note 9 will come in 3 variants going all the way up to 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage. So whether it's HD gaming, multitasking, heavy apps, or big storage for media files and photography lovers, the Redmi Note 9 does it all, and with ease. Hey Ankit, how's it going, bro?
Aloha, Gautam. I heard somebody say photography lovers and all, so I thought it's time for me to jump in.
Yeah, just wrapped it up.
Awesome. Here, hold this. So whether I'm on holiday at a beach, or at a cozy cafe, or in the great outdoors, I would always choose the Redmi Note 9 for its epic photography skills. Now let's try and understand what makes these cameras so awesome. The Redmi Note 9 comes with a quad camera 48 megapixel setup similar to the Redmi Note 9 Pro. And the star of the show here is of course the 48 megapixel sensor, which is half-inch in size, has super pixels of 1.6 micron with a wide aperture of f1.79. The pictures resulting from this camera are absolutely vivid, crisp, and have brilliant detailing. In fact, take a look at this shot. Look at the amount of detail this packs in. And because of that super pixel, the kind of details that you get in broad daylight and even in low light are absolutely class-leading and stunning. That huge camera sensor along with 4-in-1 super pixels ensure that no matter what pictures you're taking, daytime meals, nighttime musty, or even those scenic shots, Redmi Note 9 always produces top-notch pictures. And to take up your photography experience to the next level, there is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera with 118-degree field of view, with all possible styling elements to take your social media game to the next level. Speaking of social media, the portrait mode on the Redmi Note 9 is absolutely chummeshwari thanks to the dedicated depth sensor. The depth sensor, along with the semantic segmentation, which is classic to the Redmi Note cameras, produces real life-like background separation, giving you absolutely creamy bokeh. And as if that was not enough, we've thrown in a fourth camera too, a 2-megapixel macro camera with autofocus that can focus distances up to 2 centimeters. Beat that! In fact, these cameras are so feature-rich that I probably need a separate keynote only for the camera section of the Redmi Note 9. Some of my other favorite features are the document scanner mode, Pro Color mode, and the 21:9 movie mode that gives you this gorgeous cinematic feel for all your vlogs and videos. And talking of video, we've also packed in the epic Pro Video mode, which lets you customize your video however you want, making sure you get high quality footage from this every single time. Now, I'm sure you've also seen that tiny little dot display with the selfie camera. But don't be deceived by the size on this one. This 13-megapixel selfie camera captures absolutely fantastic selfies with great semantic segmentation every single time. And in fact, we've taken it a notch higher. Panorama selfies, when you just want more and more to be packed in with that front-facing camera. And of course, one of the features that I've absolutely loved using in the lockdown for hands-free operation and photo taking, palm shutter. How cool is that? Complete hands-free operation. And the incredible portrait selfies. Make sure you get creamy bokeh and great background separation every single time. Of course, the front-facing camera can also be used for face unlock. All in all these amazing cameras and features make the quad camera setup on the Redmi Note 9 the undisputed champion of photography in this segment. And with great power comes great responsibility, so every champion must stand for the community as well. Which is why you should head over to Redmi India's YouTube channel and take a look at Redmi Creator Academy, where we are helping the creator in you with some of India's best photographers and content creators. Don't forget to take incredible pictures with your Redmi smartphones and tag us all over social media with hashtag the Redmi Project, hashtag Redmi Creator Academy, and hashtag Shot on Redmi. But before I go, it's time for one last shot. Right here, right now. Cheers.
Ooh, nice pick. Let's talk about battery. Hi, I'm Sneha and I lead the Redmi business for Xiaomi. Don't you guys hate when that happens? The red dead battery? But now there's redemption to this evil. That's because the all-new Redmi Note 9 now comes with a massive 5020 mAh battery. Yes, that's right, 5020. That's about 25% higher than the Redmi Note 8. That means you have over 2 days of battery life, over 13 hours of gaming, over 26 hours of video playback, and over 9 hours of HD video recording. And to add to all of that, we've also added a 9-watt reverse charging. This is the fastest reverse charging on any of the Redmi phones. This lets you charge all your accessories straight from the phone itself. In fact, I use it all the time to charge my Redmi Earbuds S. The Redmi Note 9 also comes with a 22.5-watt fast charger in the box. Guys, trust me, what this means is, with a 2-day battery life and a fast charger in the box, you're never going to have to worry about battery again. Alright, I'm off for a 26-hour binge-watching marathon now. Over to Kabir in the lab.
Thanks, Neha. At Redmi, we are extremely proud of the quality of our products. Redmi's entire lineup of smartphones comes reinforced with P2i. The Redmi Note 9 also features P2i nano coating, which protects it against accidental spills. And of course, we also have Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protecting all those pixels in the front as well as the camera lenses on the rear, ensuring that your device is protected all over. Now here you have a high performance device, which means that thermal management is essential. The Redmi Note 9 comes with a 4 micron meter thick graphite sheet to ensure better thermal performance. This helps in dissipating heat during heavy usage like gaming or binge watching and many other scenarios. And after hours and hours of gaming, you'll still have a cool mind and cool hands. And of course, we have included a 22.5 watt fast charger with 380 volts of surge protection to ensure that your device does not get impacted due to electrical fluctuations. All in all, you have a P2I protected smartphone and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front as well as on the rear camera lenses and great thermal performance. Quality as always promised by Redmi. Back to you, Anuj.
Now that you know all there is to know about the Redmi Note 9, the undisputed champion, let's quickly summarize the key specs. Now the Redmi Note 9 looks absolutely gorgeous thanks to the Aura Balance design. It also comes with a 6.53-inch full high-definition dot display that's protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass 5. It also features a Helio G85, a gaming-focused high-performance processor. Not to forget the incredible cameras at the back. You've got a 48 megapixel camera array, which also features wide angle and macro lenses to go with that. And right in the front, you've got a 13 megapixel selfie camera, which is in display. But coming to my favorite part, you get a bigger battery and faster charging with the 5020 mAh battery and a 22.5 watt charger right in the box. That undisputedly is a lot of features. However, why don't we take a look at what else is available in the market and how does it compare? So first up, let's take a look at Samsung Galaxy A21s. Now that comes with an entry-level Exynos 850, has only a 720p or a HD Plus display and a 15 watt charging support. There is no P2I, there is no Corning Gorilla Glass, but the price is 16,500 rupees. Next, let's take a look at Oppo A9. Now this also features a HD Plus or a 720p display. It has Snapdragon 665, the one that we used last year, has Corning's Gorilla Glass 3, but no fast charging, no P2I, but the price is 16,000 rupees. And the last one is the Vivo S1 Pro. Now this one does have a full high definition display, but it still features a Snapdragon 665, the one that was on the Redmi Note 8. There is a quad camera setup, but no Corning Gorilla Glass, no P2I, and the cost almost 20,000 rupees. So now that you know how the Redmi Note 9 compares with other devices in the market, I'm sure you guys can't wait to get your hands on it. So the question is when, where, and how much it's going to cost you. To answer the when part of it, let's just take a quick look at what's happening at the factory itself. As you can see, our manufacturing plants are working tirelessly even during these times to ensure that you don't keep waiting for this incredible device. Now, thanks to all the teams that you saw working really hard, I'm really happy to share that you will be able to get the all-new Redmi Note 9 in just 4 days from now. Yes, the first sale is going to be on 24th of July, and you can buy this online on mi.com and Amazon, as well as offline in Mi Homes, Mi Stores, as well as our retail partners. Now that you know when and where, I'm sure you guys are equally excited to know the prices. Now with Redmi, you guys are always assured of getting the best specs, highest quality at the absolute honest prices. So you can get the 4GB 64GB variant of the Redmi Note 9 at a price of only 11,999. And of course the much loved highest end variant, which is the 6GB 128GB variant, which you can get for 14,999. Now there you have it, the Redmi Note 9, the undisputed champion. Now this finally completes a trilogy of the Redmi Note 9, the Note 9 Pro and the Note 9 Pro Max. As you guys know, the Note 9 Pro and the Note 9 Pro Max were launched earlier this year and have received tremendous response from all quarters. We are sure that you will love the Redmi Note 9 as well. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe. We'll catch you in the next one.